and welcome to my channel. My name is Arshi and I make videos related to fashion. Recently, I went to Sarojini Nagar and bought a lot of things. Everything is super affordable as it is under 300. So come on, let's begin with the video. The first thing I got are these gingham cigarette pants. I absolutely love it. I mean, it's gingham, the coolest print, and that too on pants. These are high-waisted with a zipper on the side. I can style it with a black top and some nice heels, maybe a blazer, and I'm ready to go to my fancy office, to my fancy corporate job. I mean, these have just such a formal vibe to them. The only thing that it lacks are pockets, but then again, it's gingham cigarette pants from Sarojini, so I will make do with it. The fabric of these is quite thick, like the thick you would wear in winters, but you can also wear it in summers. Now coming to the fun part. I got it for only rupees 150. Yes, I got it for 150. I got it from one of those fixed price racks. It is an absolute Sarojini gem. The next thing we have is this denim midi skirt. Midi skirts, I believe, are a perfect option for summer casual wear, especially for those of us who are shy to wear short skirts. You can get great quality and inexpensive skirts from Sarojini very easily. They are all around, you just have to find them. Speaking of quality, the tag says that it is from Zara. I mean, oh my god. The denim on it is quite thick and 100% cotton like any other Zara denim piece. It is high-waisted with those bronze button details on the front which gives it such a classic feel. I'm gonna style it with so many pieces, it is so versatile. I can style it with any basic top and sneakers and I'm good to go. Now I don't remember the price correctly, but I think I got it for rupees 250. I am sure it was definitely not for more than 300. Next item we have is this denim jeans. I got it for only rupees 200 and it was a steal. I got it from one of those sellers near Stilettos. He just had a rack of denims. He did not have any shop as such. And the catch? Again, it is Zara denim and high-waisted. These are my favorite denims from all the denims that I own. These are like those classic straight fit jeans with minimal distress. They don't go out of style and can be worn multiple times. They were a little big for me, so I got them altered. Coming to tops, the first top that I got is this lilac one, the one that I'm wearing right now. I have seen this top everywhere. I have seen online websites selling it for rupees 300, 400 or even 500. But guess what guys, I got it for only rupees 100. I got it from one of those fixed price racks. They had many colors in it, but I went with this lilac one. And that's the thing I regret guys, I should have bought it in other colors as well. The fabric of this top is quite thick and of good quality and it fits me like a glove. Next we have is this white top with zebras printed on it. I got it for rupees 100 only. I got it from one of those fixed price racks only. Guys, a pro tip, whenever you go to Sarojini, you definitely should check out those fixed price racks. You can find absolutely amazing items for such cheap prices. It is practically of the same fit and size as the earlier lilac one. It is a basic top which I can wear to college or to the market. While purchasing, it was a bit torn from the side, but I did not see it. Maybe that's why it was so cheap. However, I got it stitched and now it looks perfect. The last item of clothing we have is this floral dress. This dress is what I would call dreamy. I wanna wear this dress to a beach with a nice big straw hat and just click perfect Instagrammable pictures. It has this strong feminine vibe to it and this elastic ruching detail and these huge sleeves are just so damn cute. I can say it is my absolute favorite item in this entire haul. I got it for only rupees 300. It is from this brand called Dorothy Perkins, which is huge on Myntra. That's all about the clothes that I got. Now let's move on to the jewelry part of this haul. I bought 4 pairs of earrings. The first ones are these pearl hoops. They are absolutely gorgeous. They can be worn with anything, be it Indian wear or Western wear. I got it for only rupees 50. The second pair are these silver jhumkas. I got these for 40 rupees. This is temple jewelry inspired with this goddess Durga pattern. They will look great with kurtis. Next we have these jute earrings. These are extremely lightweight. I got them only for rupees 50. These are the kinds of earrings I would find at Zara for rupees 1000, 1200. These look so cute to me. Last we have these hoops. These are made up of plastic with what seems to be marble pattern. These were only for rupees 30. The first necklace we have is the silver link chain necklace. It is just so classy. I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. They also had it in gold, but it looked too gold to me if that's somehow possible, so I went with the silver one. It cost me around 200 rupees because that seller was not ready to bargain at all. Last item of this haul is this 3-piece gold necklace that I'm wearing right now. I got it for rupees 100 from one of those vendors who roam around the market selling stuff. It is so cute with this evil eye detail and this lock. It is also very trendy. That was all about the clothing and accessories and all the fashion related stuff, but I also got 2 novels for rupees 150 each. The first novel is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. It is quite popular. It is a basic guide to achieve financial independence. I have read it and I would recommend it to everyone. The second one is called The Alchemist. Now I know it has been popular for quite some time, but I haven't got around to reading it. I will read it and let you know how it was very soon. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more fashion related videos. Bye bye.